Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge browser uninstall button is grayed out. Open C drive. Open program files x86. Open Microsoft folder. Open Edge folder. Open application. Open Edge application version number. Open installer folder. Select folder address, type CMD then press enter key. Copy text from description and paste it. Edge successfully uninstalled. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.